Here is the raw data provided by my client. It contains a total of 9,994 rows. As you can see, it is a long data where it contains many information. My client wants me to create a simple sales dashboard. So let's start making the sales dashboard. For that, first select Whole Data by pressing Ctrl+A. Now go to Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Click Existing Worksheet and select the Dashboard worksheet. Click any cell you want. Search Subcategory and drag it to the rows. Now search for Quantity and drag it in Values. Now we have to insert Chart. For that, click any cell of the pivot table and go to Analyze tab and click on Pivot Chart. Select the default chart and click OK. Right-click here and select Hide All Field button on Chart. Click on plus icon and follow the steps. Again, select any cell of Pivot Table and go to Analyze tab and select Insert Slicer. Check the State Category Ship Mode and Segment. Now arrange the slicers as you want. Again, go to Analyze tab and select Insert Timeline and check Mark the ship date. Now arrange it. Now design your charts as you want. Give a heading for this dashboard. Go to View tab and uncheck the grid lines. The dashboard is ready. As you can see the result. For selecting multiple cells, just press the Shift button and select the cells you want. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.